Chicago brand open-ended ratchet spanners are quite different to normal ratchet spanners. You can use these in a lot of places where you cannot use a regular ratchet spanner. These are used widely in the aerospace industry and they're made from high quality stainless steel. Every now and again you come across a nut or a bolt that you need to undo that is in a difficult place and you cannot get to it with a regular spanner. That means you can waste hours of time trying to undo it. Using these spanners, it does make it a lot easier in most cases. I'm now going to give you an example of where these spanners can be used. If you take a look at the head on the ratchet spanner, you can see that the head on it is smaller than that of a traditional spanner. That enables you to get it into more places, and because of the ratchet action, it enables you to undo or tighten the bolt with ease. An example of where the spanners are extremely useful is in a situation like this. I need to get a spanner in there to tighten up this bolt for the tripod leg. I can't actually get in there and turn the spanner because the head is too big. There just is no movement. Even if I turn the spanner over, I cannot get enough movement on that bolt to tighten it up. But with the Chicago brand open-ended ratchet spanner, it is possible to tighten that bolt. We can simply slide it in there and the ratchet mechanism is actually working. You can hear it as it's clicking round and we can successfully tighten that bolt. And that bolt is now perfectly tight. So the spanners are extremely handy in instances like that where you cannot get a traditional spanner in. I'll just give you a quick demonstration of how the spanner actually works. You can see that it has got a pivoting mechanism that slips around the nut when you are tightening it or undoing it. If you want to go in the opposite direction, you simply turn the spanner around. The only disadvantage of this spanner, or of any ratchet spanner, is that you need resistance for the spanner to actually work. So if you ever come across anything like that where there is no resistance, it will not operate correctly because you'd need resistance there for it to work. But that is the same with any kind of ratchet spanner.